One of the most obvious questions that you're going to think about when you are choosing to get a home loan is, do you go direct to the bank or do you go to a broker? Now, there are advantages to both. If you go to a bank, you can get quicker turnaround times, and that person can be an ultimate expert in that bank's policy. The benefit to using a broker is, unlike a bank that has only one policy, a broker has options across the board. So myself, I've got 40, 50 different lenders that I can take you to, and I can see prior to taking your application to the bank whether it's going to work. So that's probably the main benefit to using a broker as opposed to going direct to the bank. But interestingly, there are other benefits. One of the benefits of using a broker, instead of going and trying to do it yourself, is you don't have access to the bank's policy. You don't have access to whether the bank will need you to have your job for 3 months, 6 months, a year. A broker can see all the different policies. A broker can call the bank directly, talk to them about your scenario, and make sure that you're not shopping around aimlessly. The risk with shopping around aimlessly is if you go to one bank and you get a decline, and then you go to another bank and you get a decline, you might not even know why you've been declined. But what will happen is, if you go to that third bank, they will look at it and they will go, why has this person been declined at this bank? Why has they been declined at this bank? Are they hiding something from us? So the risk profile goes up. One of the best things about using a broker is the fact that generally it doesn't cost you anything. Broker is paid by the bank directly, and you have someone between you and the bank that is able to negotiate on your behalf. Getting declined by a bank sucks. Different banks have different policies. Often they will focus on a certain type of customer that they want. Now, you won't know if you are the type of customer that that bank wants. A broker will. A broker is able to understand the target that that bank is trying to aim for, and if you're likely or unlikely to get declined. The amount of money you can borrow can vary by hundreds of thousands depending on what bank you go to. Now, you as the customer, you won't know that. But as a broker, I can see exactly how much each bank will lend you, so I can position you to the right lender for your needs.